How to get an article on Zendesk. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an article on Zendesk. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the Zendesk website and log into your account. Click on the sign in button, and if it asks you again, just click sign in once more. Now enter your email and password, then press enter or click sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the Zendesk products menu at the top right. From the list, select Guide. The Guide section is where you can create and manage all your Help Center content. Next, click on the Add button. From the options, choose Article. Now you can start writing your article by adding the title, content, and any helpful instructions for your users. Take your time to make the article clear and easy to understand. When you're done, click on the Save button to store and publish your article. And that's it. You've successfully created an article on Zendesk Guide. This is a simple but powerful way to provide better support and information to your customers. That's all for the video.